Make sure to stay till the end. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses and common mistakes people make. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger. If you guys have a Dodge Challenger and you have a problem where your rear view camera doesn't work, you're trying to find where that fuse is located for the rear view camera, stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. We will talk why it's super important to test the fuses and actually where you can buy cheap fuses from, because there are special edition fuses as well. So before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from and you can save a fortune. So let's explain how to fix that now. So it will work on V6, V8, Dodge Challenger. Most people will do one thing, they will open the hood, guys, and they will actually try to find that fuse in a fuse box that's located under the hood. Okay, check it out, that fuse box right here, but it's actually not there, guys, it's somewhere else, it's towards the back. So we'll come this way. Car was in a little bit of a fender bender here, we'll be fixing it soon. Runs and drives like a champ, really strong, and we'll be rebuilding it coming very soon as well. So right here we're going to go ahead, open the trunk like that, perfect. And if you come right here now, let me show you guys. Under the trunk, when you open it, under that cover, you will have your spare tire, car battery, and you have a fuse box right here as well. That fuse box, you're going to open it by pressing that thing and then pull it up. Okay, like that, perfect. Now, let's talk why it's super important to test fuses and relays. Fuses, guys, sometimes it's really hard to find out if they're burnt or not. Sometimes it's really hard to see through the glass or through those little fuses, and sometimes it may seem like a good fuse but it's a bad fuse. So if you put a bad fuse back in, you thought it was good, you may start spending money on parts, tools, let's say rear view camera, switches, all that stuff that you didn't need to, guys. So always test the fuses, relays when in doubt. And I'll recommend all the time. I'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, relays, and where to buy cheap fuses and relays from as well. Another thing, where is that fuse located? We're going to remove that relay. Now, you don't have to, but I need it so I can show you. We will remove that relay, and it's very important in some cases to disconnect the car battery when removing fuses and relays, because otherwise you can burn computers and modules. And on these modern cars it matters which battery terminal you remove and disconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can burn electronics modules, and that can cost you thousands of dollars. We have actually a special video which battery terminal to disconnect first, check it out. And if you come right here, if you look, guys, okay, we'll start from the very first fuse. Even though it's missing, we count that spot, we come to fuse number 2, which is a 10 amp fuse. That's known as a fuse number 44, F44. So we'll go ahead, grab that fuse and pull it out. Okay, those micro fuses. I'll grab a new one now and we'll just put it in. If you need to buy replacement ones for a good price and quick shipping, we're going to, guys, share the link in the description of the video below. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.